movement started with Yar'Adua Jonathan actualization movement. This is not the beginning. The beginning was when we were part of the campaign that President Yar'Adua called us after the campaign to thank us for the role we played for his campaign. What now brings us to Jonathan actualization movement is peace. There is need for peace in Nigeria. You cannot buy peace with money. No amount of money can buy peace. You have seen our communique. It's about peace. We are going to go state by state. We are going to show our documentary. We are going to show what's happened in Somalia. We are going to show what's happened in Rwanda. We are going to show what's happened in South Sudan. South Sudan break away from Sudan. Today they are fighting another war. We are going to show what is happening in Central African Republic now. It's not about President Jonathan, for God's sake. It's about the unity of Nigeria. It's about peace of Nigeria. And we are not going to stop. We are going to move from state to state, from zone to zone. We are not going to do campaign of Jonah. No. We are going to go to the grassroots. Our campaign is going to be a campaign of town hall meeting. From the ward level to the local government level to the state level, we are going to do town hall meeting, and we are starting from Kebbi. We are concentrating. We are going to show the youth that they should not be used to destabilize Nigeria, because at the end of the day, all these people that are causing problems, they have their aircraft waiting on the tarmac. They have separate airports. They don't even go through where normal people go through. They have their own airports. When the ships are down, they will sneak out, and then the problem will remain with us.